Welcome to your next great adventure. We're about to explore the fundamental rules of, well, everything. Think of physics as the quest to understand this code, from the tiniest atom to the entire cosmos. So, our journey begins with a force you can't see, but you experience it every single day. It all starts with a fundamental property called electric charge. This is what kicks everything off. Soon, you'll be able to literally map these invisible fields that are all around us. And this invisible force, it's the engine behind the technology you use every single day. Okay, so what happens when we make these charges move? That's where current electricity comes in. We're going to uncover some really elegant laws that control how all this power actually flows. You'll learn why some materials carry electricity so easily and others just stop it in its tracks. And with that, you'll gain the skills to analyze the blueprints of all modern electronics. But you know, electricity is only half the story. It has a powerful, mysterious twin, magnetism. We'll explore how these two fundamental forces are different, but also deeply connected. This connection is the key behind electric motors, generators, and so much more. When electric and magnetic fields weave together, they create something incredible: electromagnetic waves. These waves, which include visible light, travel at the fastest speed possible in the universe. We'll master the rules of optics, exploring how light bends, bounces, and creates images. This is the science that extends our vision from the impossibly small to the infinitely large. But when we journey into the atom itself, the familiar rules of physics start to break down. Here, you'll discover that light has a secret identity. It's both a wave and a particle. And it gets weirder. Particles, like electrons, can act like waves. Welcome to quantum mechanics. So you are about to embark on an expedition through the most fundamental ideas in science. Look, it's more than just a class. It's really a journey of discovery.